Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Paddle Dashboard, a platform that helps you manage and sell software products. To get the most out of Paddle, it is essential to understand its features and how to use them effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Paddle Dashboard provides a centralized location to manage your products, customers, and orders. The key to successfully utilizing Paddle is to set up your dashboard correctly. This involves adding your products, configuring your payment gateways, and setting up your tax and invoicing options. Once you have set up your dashboard, you can start to manage your products. This includes creating licenses, managing versions, and tracking updates. It is crucial to keep your product information up to date, as this will help you to provide better support to your customers. Another critical aspect of using Paddle is analyzing your sales data. The dashboard provides a range of analytics tools that allow you to track your sales, revenue, and customer behavior. By understanding your sales data, you can make informed decisions about how to optimize your sales strategy and improve your customer experience. In addition to managing your products and analyzing your sales data, Paddle also provides a range of tools to help you manage your customers. This includes managing subscriptions, handling refunds, and providing support. It is essential to provide excellent customer support, as this will help to build trust and loyalty with your customers. To get the most out of Paddle, it is also essential to follow best practices. This includes regularly updating your product information, responding promptly to customer inquiries, and analyzing your sales data regularly. By following these best practices, you can optimize your use of Paddle and improve your overall sales strategy. In conclusion, Paddle Dashboard is a powerful tool that can help you to manage and sell your software products effectively. By understanding its features, setting up your dashboard correctly, managing your products, analyzing your sales data, and following best practices, you can get the most out of Paddle and improve your sales strategy.